What is up, y'all? It's Christian Caminero. It's 7:08 p.m. March 3rd, 2026. Eastern time for those that care. I'm making this video because there is so much happening inside of me right now. There is, quite frankly, a transformative moment in this life for me right now. There's so much going on. I haven't sat with myself to meditate for a while, so I'm using this time right now to I just hit record on this video. There's a lot of things that I would like to get done, that I'd like to publish this first, share that first, do this next. That doesn't really exist, right? It's just ideas, suggestions, recommendations the brain makes based on past experience and based on what goals we want to achieve in the future. The truth is, though, I'm making this video now because I just want to channel. I just want to talk. I just want to share myself, and I'm putting it directly on YouTube without editing it, okay? I'm just doing this. I'm right now in the midst of exporting all my Snapchat memories. I don't want to wait anymore. I feel like I've been waiting for so long to post videos on YouTube, and I'm just putting these public videos out. Because, well, quite frankly, I love YouTube. It's what I first started creating content on, and I want y'all to be a part of the intimate process that it is to be who I am, be Christian Caminero, Cristian Caminero. So this video is kind of like, the whole purpose of it is to literally give you a snapshot of where I am right now in my life and where I'm going, right? So like I've done a few commercials. I'm in Miami right now. I was just in Los Angeles. I'm doing a lot of things. I'm building a community right now as well with content, and I'm excited to just like share this process with y'all. But also simultaneously, yes, these are all great external things. Great. Oh my God, look, he's doing so much. It's so great, right? The truth is, like internally, I feel like I'm looking for a sense of direction. And what better way to find direction than to center myself, right? Center myself, breathe, slow down. Because all I'm quite frankly doing, and I've been doing, well, not that I'm doing it right now, but that I've been doing, is checking things off the list. You see this little checkbox right here? Yeah, that's what I've been doing for the past as long as I can remember. Just externally checking off boxes. You know how, listen, it's great on the outside because everybody and everyone and everything is being taken care of. It's like, boom, yes, yes, boom, checked, yes, thank you, yes, thank you. Okay, yes, you're right on time. Boom, made it. Okay, good. That's a wrap. Da, ba, check. Yeah, it feels great, right? The dopamine. But like internally, nothing is changing. Nothing is changing. And if you know and you've had a spiritual awakening before, you understand that once you realize that when you change within, everything changes without, like on the outside. It's like, yo, why try to change the outside if you can just change the inside, and the inside literally reflects that outward? Like, yeah. So for the longest time, I've been realizing, oh my God, I've been operating out of a sense of like urgency. I got to get everything done because I want to become this. Who? Become what? What are you not already? What are you not already? Are you not the exact version of yourself that you've always wanted to be? Like everything I'm doing and naturally on a day-to-day basis, I've literally dreamed of this. And now that I'm living it, it's like, oh no, but we got more things to accomplish. It's like, homie, slow down. Slow down. Look at your life. Look at where you at. Your family's healthy. You're healthy. You have a healthy relationship with a partner. Like, yo, career's thriving, money's good, like things are working out. You're around the right people. What the hell is going on? Yeah. And I really want y'all to engage with this as well. Like, comment down below, like how y'all are feeling, if y'all relate to what I'm saying right now, right? Like, I want to bring y'all on this process with me, like take you with me every step of the way. But for some reason, I feel like self-centered, and I'm like, I want to make sure I'm doing this good and perfectly, and like that. And it's like, yo, it doesn't exist. Perfection don't exist. What am I trying to do? What am I trying to show? What am I trying to be? Why am I trying in the first place instead of just simply already understanding fundamentally that this is who I am, this is what I'm doing? Hello? There's no need to explain myself. Y'all know who I am already. And y'all know I'm going to get it done. So it's like, What's going on? It's a matter of shedding that old self. Like there's this idea, I think, now that I'm letting go of, and it's finally out of me, that I have to like be a certain person because of what I've done and this and this and that. It's like the dumbest thing I've ever heard. It's like a silly narrative that just runs, right? And if we don't stop narratives from running in our brains, it will create results in our reality. And then we're going to be like, oh, well, this is just who I am. Oh my God, this is... Hell no. There's a saying by Carl Jung, okay? Quote this one. Mark it. Save it in your brain. Write it down 1,000,000 times. Whatever you got to do to remember it. Until we make the unconscious conscious, it will run our life and we will call it fate. One more time for the people in the back. One more time for the people in the back. Until we make the unconscious conscious, it will run our life and we will call it fate. Yeah, that one hits. Thanks, Carl Jung. Appreciate you, your service, and everything you've done for the psychological field. Because without you, I don't know where I'd be, my G. Just keep it that simple. But that's about me. Enough ranting. I feel like I'm still kind of like amped. Like it's that. It's taking action out of that. Like that is not a good thing. It's a matter of me slowing down and taking one action, 2 actions, like 20% actions that yield 80% of the results. That I think I'm at a point in my life now. And if y'all feel like you're there right now, please comment down below, like it, share it with someone that you think is going to engage with this and be like, wait, I kind of feel like I'm going through this in my life right now too. Because if you are, we're here in this together, right? I'm not posting this video just to do it all alone and share it. Like I want, if y'all are going through this too, drop a comment, like, let me know. Okay, I'm trying to know as well because we're all in this together. And I'm right now sharing this video with you because I feel like this is where I'm at in my life. And I want to be transparent with everybody that I'm documenting and sharing this process with, you know? People that I love and the people that I'm with, they already know this. I just feel so blessed. I feel like for some reason I have so much to lose and I don't know why. I don't know why. It's like, it's something so weird. It's like there's so much to lose. And I feel like it's a realization that like, oh my God, like if I die and I don't do what I said I wanted to do, I'm going to be dead. Or like, it's going to be horrible. Or it's going to be the end of the world. And it's like, who the fuck cares? Who the fuck cares? The only one I think that cares this much about this shit is my ego. And so fucking what? It's the ego. Like, I'm loved. I love people. People love me. And like, yo, we're good. Like, we are good. Like, if we die today, God bless. We lived an incredible life. You know, I'm grateful for every moment I have right now. And so it's like, yo, what is going on, man? It's just like a matter of being present. So I'm going to meditate. Excuse me. I'm going to take some time for myself. But I wanted to come out and share this because I just pattern interrupted the absolute poop out of myself. Like I literally was like not expecting to post a YouTube video and now I am here. So this is how we're doing it. This is how we pattern interrupt. So I'm literally right now as I speak posting this onto YouTube. I'll literally show y'all right now. Flip the camera, yo. Yes, I'm posting it. I love y'all. Y'all are the best and I'll see you in the next video. There's a lot coming.